Good morning, children. Today we are learning the bits of practice worksheet number 1. G bit which we are learning today of page number 44. Circle the correct models to complete these sentences. So what are models? Models are nothing but it is used to express permission, possibility and ability or necessity of the work. But actually these are the helping verbs to complete the sentences. First one. Dash I enter the class, ma'am. So here we are taking a permission. May I enter the class, ma'am. Here we need to take a permission. Now for the second one. Dash you help me knit this sweater. The options are may and can. So we are using can. Here we are asking the willingness of others to help us. Can you help me knit this sweater? Now third one. She can't receive your call right now. I ask her to call you back. So the options are shall, will. So what it is? The answer is shall. Shall I ask her to call you back means you are asking them, asking your friend that if you are willing then I'll inform your friend that to call you back later. There we use shall, shall, shall. It means if you have any work, I'll say her to call. In that sense, we use the sentence in this way. Fourth one. We not forget to send the invitation letters. The options are must, may. Must means compulsory. May means the work may happen or not happen. Not forget means it means the work is compulsory. That to send letters. So it is must. Must means compulsory to send the letters. We must not forget to send the invitation letters. Fifth one. Shirley is feeling unwell. I take her to the hospital. Here you are asking willingness to do some work. That she is feeling unwell, we need to take her to the hospital. So, should I take her to the hospital? Now, sixth one. You always wear clean clothes to school. Can or must? Can means sometimes you can wear or sometimes you may not wear. But it is compulsory to wear the clean clothes to school. So, must. You must always wear clean clothes to school. Now, coming to H bit. Rewrite these sentences using the tense forms given in the brackets. First one. I am writing a letter to my father. So here these sentences we need to change according to the sentence given us with the highlighted words in the proper tense. So here the first one they are asking us to change into a simple past tense. So our verb will always change into V2. I am writing. The verb is write. So it becomes V2, that is wrote. I wrote a letter to my father. Second one. My friends had dinner at my house. Had means the work is already finished. So now we need to change this sentence into the future time. Means in future tense. My friends, in order to indicate for the future, we need to add will, shall. So my friends will have dinner at my house. Now third one. Jatin always wins all the boxing matches at school. Always wins means it is a continuation. So you need to change that in simple past tense. So V1 will change into V2. Jatin always won all the boxing matches at school. Fourth one. Hassan prepared us for the quiz. Future time. Hassan will prepare us for the quiz. We are watching. Fifth one. We are watching the aeroplanes in the sky. Change into simple present tense. We watch the aeroplanes in the sky. Sixth one. Anant will wash the seashells in lukewarm water. Change that sentence into the present continuous tense. Present V1 remains same, but we need to add ing form to that. So Anant is washing the seashells in lukewarm water. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.